Guys, today we're going to do biceps, 5 variations of biceps. Along with that, there's a hip thrust. Biceps always on the Saturday, and let's hit on. As I'm just doing some 10 minutes of cardio because the day prior to that I ate a lot, so I just wanted to burn some calories. Here is a warm up which I do normally. A complete stretch from head to toe and the hips and for the shoulder, not to get the injuries. First warm up for the biceps, I do free weight just on the bar, wide grip. That's for the long head. Here you can see Trishla is also doing some wide grip warm up, free weight. Now it's with the weight. I first set always do as a wide grip, that's for the long head which I hit it. And the weight which I can lift it and do for 15 reps is the weight which I use it. I don't try to swing the body much as I want to lift the weights with the arms, with the biceps. So technically biceps have got two muscles, long head and short head. So wide grip which I use it is for the long head. This is the close grip which I am going to do it in the easy bar. This is for the short head. Mostly use the same weight which I have used it in the wide grip also. Always do the full range of motion, which means that you start from your thigh muscle, hitting the bar, and the bar should come under the chin. That is a full range of motion. Often I have seen people coming half the way and doing half the way. I don't do that. I prefer doing the full range of motion. This is the third variation, which I use it as a preacher curl, which is for the peak of the muscle. As we can see, I am focusing more on flexing the biceps, working out more on the peak of the muscle. In this machine, as if you notice, that I catch three different grips. One is wide, and one is medium, and one is close grip. Just to shorten the video, I have fast forward this workout, so I'm not doing it very fast. This is my fourth variation, which is again for the long head. This is particularly hitting for the long head. As you can see that I'm stretching my arms completely straight. So often I have seen people doing preacher curl or curling and working out for the peak of the muscle in this particular position, which this position is not dedicated for that. As you can see, the arms can completely go down straight and have a full stretch. Hence you can work out on your long head. If anyone is having a short biceps head, especially when you wear a t-shirt, if your biceps is looking very round but it's not coming like straight like a tube, like a balloon, it's not projecting outside the length, I meant to say, this is the workout which you have to do it. I do it from the day one. Last and fifth variation which I do it is the hammer curl. I prefer to lean on a corner wall so that I can restrict a lot of body movements and only my biceps will lift the weight. This particular will help you in developing overall the bicep size and your forearms. When you're doing this particular exercise, you should do the half sitting position, so that you can eliminate a lot of other muscles which involve in this. This is a hip thrust exercise which we add up with the biceps workout, because biceps is small muscle and we can finish it off faster, so we have some additional time to kill it. This is technically a back workout, so as you can see, and I'm going way down and coming up, so do not lift too heavy as it can give a chance of injuries too. This is an excellent exercise for people who have backache, who are sitting for a long time, and especially women who are after delivery, they have a lot of back pains. So this is an excellent exercise. Guys, we are done with the biceps workout, and the hip thrust. Very tired. Going to eat some eggs as for the protein. And if you guys have any doubt, please write it down the comment box, which I will respond back to you all as with the reply. And this is all what we do for the biceps. If in case if you want to follow it, please do let me know in the comment box. Again, I'm saying it, which I will repeat it. And that's all from our side. As it's a Saturday, we have to take Angel out for the beach walk. Anything else you want to say, Krishna?
No, nothing. And in case you have any other exercise or anything else you want to know, please do let us know. And we are open to suggestions. And hope you enjoyed our workout series, and we'll come out with something new soon. So bye.